pinsan.
Yung pinsan mo malagde na. Sabi, hindi, anong pangalan mo? Sabi ni father sa akin ate. Tapos sabi ko, hello na. Sabi ko sa'yo, ganyan lang kay ate Rudy.
Dapat ka naman ibalik. Daming ano. Wala naman nanonood, okay lang yun.
Kaya na yung pamangkin namin. Nagkamali lang. Te! Tulog ang beauty, te!
Choose. Asan choose mo?
Saan shoes? Saan? Asan?
Na.
O, diba? Iniwan na tayo rin dito. Ay, may hapon.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life.
Ay, putik.
Hoy.
Putik pala.
Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray.
Ang tulong sa ito, mabasa sa unang sulat, ni Pablo alang sa mga taga-Korinto. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Thank you for being here today to honor the life of my Papa. I still can't believe I'm standing here, speaking at my Papa's eulogy. I never imagined I had to do this too soon. And I'm not even sure how I found the strength to say these words. I was a good person. It is clear because so many people love him. He wasn't just a good father to that I had. He was also a loving husband to my mom, a devoted son to Nora, a supportive brother to my uncle, a caring cousin and mother, a thoughtful uncle, and a true friend to many. He was always willing to share whatever he had, just to help others. We only had a few memories together because Papa had to work far away since I was 5 years old. But I don't resent him for that. My Papa worked hard to provide for us. He made sure we had good food to eat and that we lived in a safe, comfortable home. I was able to study at my dream school without having to worry about tuition, dorm fees, or allowance. Year 1999 to 2004 that helped realize the mission and vision of the Russia-Filipina Independent. Signed, Reverend Father Emerson R. Pasinan, Parish Council Chairman. Maria Tiquio, Parish Council Vice Chairman, and Winnie G. Mendes, Parish Council Member. Requesting as well a member of the family for the
Will you come with me and guide me through the dark? Stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know, Father. Don't you let me go. I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your